Good morning. Have a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Utkarsh, it's very interesting that you are studying in AI technology. So, my first question for you, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Utkarsh Pawar. I'm in class 10th and I'm passionate about technology, especially interested in artificial intelligence. I enjoy learning new skills and explore new AI tools every day. I want to improve myself and my life every day, which gives me skill to perform better in my life in this field of technology.
It is very interesting that you are in the 10th standard and you are working in AI technology, right, madam?
Yes.
Because it's not easy that the students are in the 9th standard or 10th standard and still you have to handle your syllabus, activities, school activities. Also, your working is good. So, my next question for Utkarsh, what is your future goal in AI and in AI technology?
My future goal in AI is to build a successful career in AI niche. I want to find innovative ideas and apply them and create some softwares which will help people in their real life.
Utkarsh, I am very impressed with your answer. It is very correct. Now, अब मुझको पूछना है कि जैसे आपने AI चूज किया है, तो AI के लिए आपको गाइडेंस किसने किया है?
Right.
मैम, मेरे फादर ने मुझे इनकरेज किया है. उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा बताया है कि कुछ नया करो और हमेशा न्यू स्किल्स सीखते रहो, जिससे आप टेक्नोलॉजी के हिसाब से आगे चलते जाओगे.
So Utkarsh, just tell me that the importance of education in India and the importance of education in foreign.
Sir, the basic difference between the foreign education and the Indian education is the practical learning. Foreign education basically focuses on practical learning, giving research works and projects, whereas the Indian education generally focuses on theoretical learning and examinations.
So Utkarsh, as we know, the world is running to capture new technologies, right? So can we defeat China in technology?
I truly believe that we can defeat China. India has a large youth and skilled engineers too. If the government supports and gives us infrastructure, high investment in AI and technology, so we can definitely defeat China.
We are talking about technology, we are talking about software development and many other things. So, if you see in India, so there are number of engineers in every city. तो आप मुझे ये बताइए कि हमारे पास इतने इंजीनियर होने के बाद भी हम टेक्नोलॉजी में डेवलप क्यों नहीं है?
Sir, there is unemployment of engineers because there is a huge gap between the academic sessions which is taught in colleges, whereas the skill requirement for these jobs are different. Every company is expecting the candidate to have appropriate skills like programming, coding and problem solving skills, but the engineers in India mainly focuses on degrees and they lack the skill.
We are really happy with your answers. So as we are offering fellowship for your technology study, so can you please tell me in short that what kind of technology or what kind of things that you want to invent for making India better or our society?
Sir, India is an agricultural country. Most of the people do agriculture in our country, but there is one problem that farmers are not educated, but I would like to create an AI tool which helps the farmer to improve their crop production. So, I would create an AI tool which can monitor the weather conditions, predict the weather, check the crop diseases and all. And I would make it so simple that even the uneducated farmer could easily use it.
उत्कर्ष, आपने बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया और आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.